All right, here we are in session 5, and we are in pre-production. Let's take a look at the top corner here. We can see the assignments are detailed out for the next month and a half, and that's true for each class. So game design, film, and School of Rock. So it's the same process we've always had, but I want to highlight something that's specific. We are writing a weekly journal, and in session 5, this is like the greatest hits of what we've learned. You've spent 6 months in this class learning about setting goals, using tools like Trello and processes like Scrum and sprints to work with teams, to set goals, to be on task, to follow through, to break big things into little things. Session 5 is where we're celebrating all this stuff daily. Your weekly journal needs to highlight what you're doing each day. And you've already seen the template, you've already seen the process, but I just want to remind you that what you're seeing on screen here are rubrics that break down professionalism that the world of work expects. And what you're doing is highlighting these details each week with what you're putting your energy on and moving things forward. So think of it this way. There's 2 ways to look at your weekly journal. One, it's documenting what you did. What did you do? How much time did you spend on it every day? And every day has to be unique. Furthermore, you're looking at over time, day by day, week by week, you should see a progression of what you put your energy into each day. Now, this takes discipline. It also takes focus. And I don't care if you write the blog post once a week or if you're doing it daily, whatever works best for your process. But you need to have a system in place so you remember to do it. I am reminding you a few times a week. Your team members should be reminding you as well. So just know that if you fail to do it, numerous systems are in place to help you not fail to do it. So you have to, do some self-analysis to think about what you're doing in your process to keep that going. So that is a weekly expectation. And other than that, we are continuing to work in either pre-production, so in game design, we have MVP on Monday, so we're going to play those and give feedback, and then the rest of the week will be work time. We also have in film, we're continuing to work in pre-production. There's a lot of things you're working on for your job. You have your half sheets with your skills lists of things you're checking off. The all uppercase words are things you need tangible evidence of. And you have the blog post that'll be due at the end of the week when we get back from spring break. And in School of Rock, you're continually practicing the first 10 minutes of class and then working on compositional material or further practice in something else. And I want to remind you that this week you will be documenting the beginning of your SMART goal. So that we'll talk about that Monday and Tuesday. Make sure you have the evidence in the blog post for this month's SMART goal. If you haven't started that yet, we'll work on that on Monday or Tuesday. If you already have it established, a few people do, great. You'll continue practicing and working on that stuff. All right, that's it. So we are in, depending how you look at it, when you look on screen, we're in week 2 or 3, depending on how you want to write it up. So in each class, I'm saying you decide where you think that workflow is. The particular name of the week is less important to the point of what you're doing each day and doing your weekly journals and so on. All right, that's it.